just got done with the open house event here at the Gerald Baures Estate in Fountain City. Had an absolute great turnout. Great to see a lot of familiar faces. Answered a lot of great questions. One of the neat things about doing an open house is you get to realize maybe some of the things that you overlooked when you're picturing and getting your descriptions. And we certainly have done some updates to the website and to get you a little bit more detailed information. So with that, we're going to have a great auction. Again, this one ends on Wednesday, February 26th. Make sure you watch our Facebook page and keep updated on the website, and we'll certainly keep you posted as well. So with that, we thank everybody for turning out and making it a great day, and we'll see you here at checkout, and that'll be on February 28th. For more information, go to ProCountryAuction.com.